Yeah, alright, which way there?
I'm there, I'm in take. But we need to come check her out though.
Me tell him, you better, me think you never wait me up one car, me, but you never wait me.
Brother says somebody over there say I kill off themselves for their life and they think to me come drop down and did.
Alright,
Right there Wednesday. Me not watch somebody, you know. Right there Wednesday. Not make me unhappy. But the hairstyle don't betray me. Yeah, everything man take it on. You see me when I see me on the road on top with them here, I like freedom.
me hot in the tea.
It never there grown from day one, but it still was like you think because yeah, it was a prank. So we just load it right this whole pranking needed thing. You never know say did a pranking a whole thing, you know. Cause me I can't read feelings. Well me find out the next person never did read.
He say, let me tell you what him say. Him say him and Big C are work together if you never did know. He say him and Big C are work together if you never did know. Let me make you know.
Honestly,
That he say upon it. That he say. And the people them act like he not say upon him. I watch your whole video when you say.
honestly I was carrying real feelings. I never really know about it. But well now thank God say not go that far.
Mother-in-law. Now who this? Now which mother-in-law this? Me get in-law. Me get in-law. What's up, in-law? Me no business what no want say. We no run with it and go on. Run with it and go
That's
on.
phone man.
Yeah. Just come and finish this.
Look here. Me never know nothing about nothing. And leave Meka out of this. You know she's a big C man, I'm telling you.
A
When I
big
go to
C
big
man.
C, I access it more. Eh? After me never want no man, me never want no people. Me just sit there enjoy look man company. Me never want no man. Enjoy me enjoy company, I'm telling you.
Yeah, that's style.
Everything on the sip on the media and I go run with guys. I was drinking a rum slip from my mouth and I might triple words.
Same boy.
And I might true words.
Wait, 2K people to play live arrange you winning match.
That's for Pamela.
Guys, come on, top up the screen. We can't get 23 euros, please. Never
Ninja. Meka.
Hello, on the love is show, don't it? So why not go on?
Meka.
On the love is toxic show, so why not go on?
No.
You got through the door,
Meka. You hear me?
Yeah.
Let's tell us you deserve one Christian boy who will Annie nice sunset.
Who said so?
Tyler.
You deserve somebody nice and calm like you.
Every day I play Baptist church in my yard. Yeah.
Yes.
I joke me make. But how are you feeling? Me did a move it for you, but when I say yesterday, I did attack. I never me. I prank a long time prank, man. I find it long time. You're too lie. So, couldn't you? Should I unlock her? Okay. Many girl don't have no beef. Me never speak to her. Even for time before me meet up with Jayden, me say me not no beef with something what she name. I don't know her name. Me not no beef with her. I always watch she and Jayden, and
No 18.
that's it. So me never did say
I'm going back to school.
me and him have no beef or not like that. The girl, me and the girl not no beef. But just black her because me never did do. Me just black her because me never did want to see every day they will come from me one. That is it. I hope I pay it. No mind, I me create it.
It's a jury.
I was worried. Guys, no, nobody not friends. Guys, my birthday cool. You know, time to do that. Any up man that sleep. Yes, you call me and I talk.
You know, answer. So I'm going to say, listen.
No, yes, you know.
You know, come pick and buy a burger for me.
What?
You know, come pick and buy a burger for me.
Come on from my phone. Come on from my phone. You love your belly too much, man.
No, but I'm going to ask you, okay, then I told me, can't go
No,
there.
I don't have money for them. This. My birthday on Wednesday.
Yeah. Brother, I mean, I understand. Oh, yeah, we
Birthday on Wednesday.
You guys said that when you know.
Come on. I don't answer no questions. Guys, I can't get
Yes, I'm
some
still
stuff,
in.
please.
Yes, I'm
Don't ask
still
me to double tap on the screen.
in. If you want some more people,
Bro, we
really.
never asked for it to do nothing. So I'm stop.
Yes. Mika, the mouse, what kind of phone you have?
Search her.
The mouse, what kind of phone you have?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
I can't live on that, can't do it. Where can we drink it? Far away. Yes. This. Yeah. Yeah, we do the family.
Guys, we chat too much, you know. Adapt to me, then. When people do certain things, we chat too much money in this, so. You know, like this, everybody enjoying themselves. And stop asking questions. My grandma says, if your father, I love you. Come on, come on, what me a smile for? How if me love people, man, too much? Then show them something want to do. I eat that people, man, love other people, man, too much.